Hello viewers, I am providing SAP IDS and SAP HANA installation service starting from $30. This is my website, email ID and this is my WhatsApp number. This is the SAP HANA which is installed on the VMware. This is what I am going to provide you. This is SAP HANA Access Advanced Runtime on-premise. This is HRTT core. Entering the user ID and the password. This is going to open the SAP HANA Database Explorer. This is the web ID. This is the XSA cockpit. This is HANA cockpit and this is Fiori. The HANA cockpit admin. So these are the things which you are going to get. I am going to provide you, and I am going to also provide you the Ellipse ID. From here you can connect to the HANA database and work out. If you are interested in this, you can contact me and I am going to remotely install it on your computer and you can work on it. Thank you for watching the video.